Let us make some money from the gold currency pair. Hello, guys, welcome to our episode 54 of the FOREX LIGHT sessions. Today, we're going to be looking at gold. Yes, as usual, gold has been making a lot of money for us, and a new trading week is starting. Let's get set to continue the culture of making good, good money for ourselves on the charts. All right, so we're gonna be looking at the 1 hour time frame. So let's do a quick review. Let's do a quick overview of what's available for us on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see an uptrend. There's clearly an uptrend in the market. So let's set our trend line and see where that takes us. Let's get our trend line. Okay, good. That's our trend line. So price is currently close to this trend line. So we expect it to approach it before taking a decision on whether to break it or to respect it. We're expecting the market to get at the price to get attracted to this trend line before taking a decision on whether to break it or to retest it. That is one. Now, secondly, you can see that this area is a zone, a support and resistance zone. You can see over here it was support, but here it's resistance. And yeah, the market just went all the way across it at this point, and now it's retesting it. So the price kind of broke it to an extent. Yes, it broke it, and now it's retesting it. You can see sell candle, sell candle, sell candle, and then a buy candle has made contact with it for printing this candle that went down. Okay, let's see. We started, yeah. So the price we tested it with this buy candle before printing this one, which is basically nothing. It's basically a dead candle. Okay, good. So we're looking at the market price coming down to making contact with this trend line. That is going to happen at the open of the market. Right now, the market is closed right now, so of course a gap would have been created, and there's a possible likelihood that the gap is going to open around this trend line, and then we're going to see the trend line being respected to the upside. So I'm looking at something like this. I'm looking at the price coming down, make contact with the trend line, and then going up at least to this point. At least to this point. It could go further than this, but minimum, that is what I'm looking out for. Let's see a lower time frame and see if our outlook makes sense on the lower time frame. Let's see if our outlook makes sense on the lower time frame. Okay, more or less. Okay, the trend line is looking slightly different on the lower time frame. Okay, that was just a little glitch. Okay, good. It looks better now. So this is another. Okay, so this is a support which could attract the price. This is a support which could attract the price. So this likelihood of the price getting to this line, which is also close to this trend line. So we have multiple things attracting the price to come down. We have this support. Oh, good. It's actually close down window then. So I think the wind is blowing this side this night. Take out this light. Please. Oh shoot. Alright, so sorry about that. Okay, good. That's what we're looking out for, expecting this to happen within the next, yeah, within the next 24 hours. I expect to see this happening, and then we'll have to review it tomorrow to see what has happened and take a decision. Yes, I will not be taking a trade based on this. We will not be taking a trade based on this. We allow the market to respond. We allow the market to tell us what it's going to start the week with before taking a decision based on its action. Now, if the price this follows what we just said, that is come down here and then come go up to this place, then we'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. Overall, this is looking like an overall sell pattern because we're having a double top here, double top, one, two, then it's likely come down, or it could as well also do something like this. Let me show you guys the the another option of what is likely to happen. So we'll call it a night at that point. So we could have this a triangle. So market could have something like this, make contact with this trend line, and then go back all the way to form a triple top formation. So we could have a triple top formation before it comes down and move on to the next agenda, which is to most likely sell, or you could as well just break it and go up, break and retest and move up. So we're looking at a short term sell and then a medium term buy, and possibly anything can happen. Anything can happen at that point. Overall, I'm personally looking out for gold to rise in price generally based on the general economic outlook at this time. That is what I'm expecting to happen. That is what I feel should happen. But I don't trade based on just feeling. I trade based on the technical analysis of the market, price action, and things like that. So I'm waiting for the prices to print out on the charts before I take a decision on what is going to happen. Okay, I think we actually already have a kind of triple top, more or less, one, two, three. So yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow. But this is what I'm looking out for. All right, guys. So that'll be all for tonight's session. I hope you got some value. Yeah, we got more value coming your way tomorrow. Let's make it a date. See you. Bye bye.